We are getting started here with some tasty mashed potatoes. Now, of course, if you want to make your own mashed potatoes, you go ahead and you do that. No judgment zone here, you guys. And we are making a quick and easy 3-ingredient dinner tonight. You are going to love this. So you're going to start off by picking whatever potatoes you choose. Now, like I said, it's totally up to you. I'm doing the fast and easy version. And now you can see I'm just using my ice cream scooper here to get this out. 1 pound of potatoes works perfectly for 6 little mashed potato balls. Now you want to come in with your clean hands and you want to make sure that that's all together in a nice little ball. And what you're going to do is you are going to stick your finger in the center and you are just going to make a little hole just like that with the mashed potato. You want to do that all the way through. So you make sure everything's in a ball and then you make your little hole with your finger. Easy peasy. I know, right? Do you guys like thick mashed potatoes or thin? What kind of potatoes do you use? Red skin, Idaho, the golden yellow, I don't know. So many choices, right? Purple potatoes, yams, what do you like? Tell me all about it. Now, of course, we got some cheese here, some nice shredded cheese. We've got cheddar jack. You know, I don't know whether you're gonna use cheddar. I think cheddar is better with potatoes, but you tell me, maybe you grew up differently, maybe your specialty is something differently. And like I said, you guys know, I am always open to suggestions and other ideas. I love when you chime in and tell me all about what you guys think. I have some ground beef here that I just pre-did on my skillet. I'm gonna put that right on top. Oh, some fell out. See, that's why sometimes I feel like just using your hands is better. So I'm gonna go back to that. I'm just gonna take my fingers because they just seem to be like a better tool here right now. And I'm gonna put some of this ground beef right there in the center on top of that cheese that we just stuffed in this little mashed potato ball that we just made nice and beefy. Season the beef how you like it. I threw a little salt and pepper. I, didn't feel like I wanted a super ton of extra flavor in that meat. But of course, if you do, maybe you have a special seasoning that you like and you would like to share with us, and we would all love to hear it. So share it in the comments. And yeah, yum. These look so good already. All right, now if you guessed it right. We're gonna top these with some cheese. I know you were thinking, why did she put cheese on the bottom? Well, I put it on the bottom and the top because I wanna sandwich that meat in with that potato and have all of this cheese melted together. Oh, deliciousness. I swear, it's like heaven in your mouth. And that's it. We're working today with some mashed potatoes and some ground beef and some cheese. And this is going to be the easiest dinner meal that you've ever thrown together in no time, you guys. Look at how cute those single servings look. I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes and stick around because you're gonna love the outcome of these. They're gonna be delicious. Yummy. Look at how amazing those look. I love how you get everything in one little space, and look at how great all of that mashed potato stuck together, you guys. I am impressed. Let's see if we can keep that going. I'm gonna try to slide in here and just grab one. Look at all of that meat, that potato. Oh, we'll go put it right here on my plate. I'm gonna get one more potato ball here. I am hungry. And you know who else is hungry? I think David is really hungry here.
Always.
Yeah, always, huh? Babe, I'm gonna let you come over and give these a shot. I know that you're starving right now. All right, babe, come on over and check out this 1-pan dinner. We got 3 ingredients here. I'm gonna get you a nice bite. I mean, you might wanna do it yourself, but I guess I'm just...
It's okay, I love when you feed me.
You want a big bite? Okay, big bite. Good?
You didn't do the airplane.
Get out of here. Here, take this with you. Have the rest. All right, you guys, I hope that you love this 3-ingredient dinner. Easy peasy, anyone can do this. It's a nice little twist. Change things up a bit. You can add different things. You can do different things. This is gonna be a great dinner. Let me know what you think of this, and we'll see you guys later.